TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time, 3 hours left to go in the trading week, and we have a relatively calm market. We got some action in both directions. We got the S&P negative 2 points, trading at 2842. Dow Jones positive by 54 points, trading at 25,612, and the Nasdaq negative 24 points, trading at 7781. We got some action in gold. We got some action in crude oil. Let's start things off. Jump over to the Nadex platform and take a look at some of the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow, been the leader yesterday and today. Dow putting up basically 400 points to the positive side yesterday, hanging in positive territory today, making quite a run from about 10 o'clock up to highs for the session right at about noon when I was on the air for the 12 update 1 hour ago. We're up there at 25,667, about 50 points off that level now, 25,611 in the Dow. Nasdaq 100, a little bit of chop in both directions as well. You saw the Nasdaq trading higher from about the same time frame of 10:30 up until noon, not quite reaching the levels we were at just after the market opened, and then we're just off those levels, trading 73.52 in the Nasdaq 100. S&P's pretty similar action. We run higher from about 10:30 up until noon, reaching highs of 28.47 in the S&Ps. We're now about 4 to 5 points off that level, trading at 28.43. Crude oil market, you want some volatility. How about it? So crude, 6 a.m. this morning, trading at 65.60. We trade all the way up about 80 cents to the upside to 66.37. And then we're right back where we were at 6 in the morning, trading at 65.60 in crude. Gold contract, last night, struggling a bit. We spiked lower, reaching lows just after 8 p.m. Eastern time of 11.78. We're now about $6 above that level in gold, trading at 11.84. And Bitcoin hanging just above 6,500. Bitcoin trading at 65.10. In terms of what other news you have happening in the market today, Tesla shares are getting some trouble action as Elon Musk off-kilter interview with the New York Times. Seems like you can't go a day without Elon making some kind of headlines, usually in negative territory for Tesla. And let's jump over to see how Tesla is reacting. And as we jump over, NVIDIA taking a tough beat today, down 5% on their earnings. AMAT, chip makers, AMAT down 7%. And we'll finish it up with Tesla down 8.3% or down $28 at $307. Not that long ago, we're approaching that $420 price. We'll see. Stay tuned. Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Have a great Friday.